the help of this AI tool, you will be able to generate captivating website in just seconds. Yes, in the era of artificial intelligence and machine learning, anything is possible. So let's start the video without a further delay. So come to this website 10web.io, then click generate your website. Select create a new website with AI. Enter your email address. Next, answer a few questions and the AI will create the whole website. Just select it. What kind of website you have to create? Informational website or online store. So I will create information website. Next, type of your business. So I will select YouTube tech channel. Next, enter your company name. Just given a small description about my company. Next, so you will have to select whatever feature I had given in the description. Educational courses, PDF resources, AI tools. Next, formal or informal. See, we are creating the website, guys. See, after 1 minute, the website is ready. This is powered by Google Cloud. So this is so powerful, guys. You can edit it from here. Just you can edit it anything you want. This option is also very fascinating. Make a quick customization and just publish it from here. So this is powered by Google, guys. So this is not totally free of cost, but this is so genuine. So here is the pricing. Up to 7 days they have given the free trial. After that you will have to buy their premium plan. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all this.